Hello sweeties, welcome to or back to the channel. We're doing Luvwin hair today, and these are the goodies that you get. 2 clips, a melt belt, lashes, a headband, a rat tail comb, and 2 HD wig caps. So now on to the hair itself. This is their salt and pepper wig. I got it in 12 inches. This is a 5x5 glueless closure wig. It has combs in the top, along with a glueless band, a comb in the back, and the wig grip. So we're moving on to tinting our lace. So as you can see, I'm using a foundation brush and cream foundation. So straight out of the bag, it is looking very frizzy and everything. Just trust the process. I don't know how long the hair was in the bag, but we will fix that. So as you can see, I'm going in and I'm cutting off those corners because they're just sticking out like a sore thumb and we don't need them. So this is pre-cut lace and it is pre-plucked. This is what the side part is giving with no foundation in it. Like I said, this wig is pre-plucked, but if you ever want to go in and customize or pluck it more, that is fine. They just like to get you started, especially if you're a beginner. They always want to help you make your installs as easy as possible. This step does not have to be done, but if you would like to see how I tweeze my pre-plucked wigs, just keep watching. So this is like the before and after. Now you can see a little bit more of my skin gradiating through the front of the wig. It's not as dense, and that was my goal. Just want to show that you don't have to do a lot of tweezing or be a pro to kind of get a better look. I'm going to go in and do the lazy method with my Got To Be Glue. This is a glueless wig. It is already very snug, but me personally, I like the melted look. So I will do one, thin layer of the Got To Be just to adhere it just a little bit to the skin and make that lace just completely vanish as much as I possibly can. And this is what I do. So now that I have the wig down and melted, I'm just going to take my rat tooth comb and loosen up the hair in the front so it's not crunchy or laid down in the wrong way. But yes, it is nice and melted. So this step is kind of important. I always take my foundation brush that I used to tint the lace and my wig cap with, and whatever is left, I just dab it around the hairline to further make that lace disappear. And a quick side note, always be careful with your lighter hair, whether it's gray or blonde, because if you put too much of the brown makeup, it will become dirty and caked up in the front. You just want to basically do the very edge of the lace just to make sure that there's no line of demarcation. So now I'm going to do my little baby hair on the side. I definitely don't want it to be over the top or dramatic. If the section that you are using for your baby hair is parted correctly, but it is too thick, do not be afraid to take your tweezers and just thin it out a little bit. That's perfectly fine to make it look more natural. You don't have to use all that hair that is in that section that you parted out. So when I initially install these wigs, however the wig comes to me is how I'll restyle it for the educational purpose of this video. Because when this wig came to me, it had some soft curls in it. Sometimes they call it waves, but it's basically curls. So that is why I initially styled it that way, to show you what they were going for, what their vision for the wig was. If you like that, then you get to see what it looks like. Due to the color and the curls, people will most likely associate it with a mature woman. But this wig can be very universal. Do not automatically see gray and just think, okay, it's for someone more mature than me. Because if you're edgy or the color looks really pretty on you, you should still go for it. This is a great quality wig. And I'm also going to show you what it looks like just in a nice sleek bob. You can do some things with this wig to make it fun. So just stick around. I'm going to show you. Young women can rock gray hair too. So I'm all finished. I'm just going to take my fingers, kind of flip it around, run my fingers through it to get the style I want. For any frizzies, I'm going to use my Got2b, kind of smooth it over with my hand, make sure all the hairs are together and it looks nice and polished. And this is how it's looking. I also want you to remember to get a concealer or foundation and an angled brush and make sure that you go in your part. This is to help it look more natural. You really don't want there to be a part, but it's not showing, scalp. You have to give that illusion to make everything come to life. So just make sure that that part is popping. And this is the final curled look. Super classy. Again, if you're young and you want to wear this wig and you want to wear it curled, do so. I mean, it's not going to make you look any older. Sometimes it comes off to me as just a really ashy gray blonde. So yeah, but now we're going into me straightening it out. I was also kind of like really feeling this like combed back in the front moment. It was giving 60s. I really loved it. But anyways, I'm going to go ahead and part it down the middle and we're going to start to straighten it. Okay, sweeties, so this is the final look. I actually really love this wig. I love this color. I love the flow. So yeah, this is it. It did everything I wanted it to do. It wasn't too frizzy. It wasn't too anything. It did exactly what it was supposed to do. It curled well. It straightened out well. And I just love it. So if you guys love it, check it out down below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bells. Until next time, stay sweet.
I went from Helly Hansons to mini mansions. The girls in the Aruba doing belly dancing. Spent half of my advancing. Jaws from Branson to make it through my circumstances. But you